Well, the first session of Modi 3.0, first session of Parliament, has got off to a very feisty start. We saw a face-off between no less than the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi and the Prime Minister himself. It was Rahul Gandhi who fired the first salvo when speaking in his reply to the President's address. He targeted the Modi government on his record of the past decade, speaking about the failure of the Agniveer scheme, what happened in Manipur, and he also brought out the recent NEET exam scandal. He also targeted, interestingly, the BJP on its version of Hinduism. So he brought religion on the floor of the House. He said that the BJP's version of Hinduism is a violent one. It is not one that is followed by the rest of India. He even had a picture of Lord Shiv with him, which the Speaker objected to since this was against the rules of the House. But bringing up Lord Shiv's picture, as Rahul explained, was we've all heard that expression, Shivji ki Barat, which means it's an inclusive Hinduism that Lord Shiv brings, and one that the Congress and, as Rahul says, the rest of India would like to follow. He also spoke about the Trishul that the Lord Shiv carries, which is behind his left shoulder. It's not really in your face. Again, violence is not really upfront in this version of Hinduism. The Prime Minister stood up to intervene, and at that point, saying that Rahul is tarring Hindus as violent, to which Rahul retorted that the Prime Minister does not represent all Hindus, neither does the BJP represent the country's version of Hinduism. Later on, when it was the Prime Minister's turn to reply, he, of course, gave Rahul a befitting reply. He called him a balak. He tried to say that he's being childish and using the floor of the House to settle scores. And he also accused the Congress for spreading Hindu terror. He's saying the Congress is not proponents of Hinduism. They are the ones who first coined the phrase Hindu terror. So now Hinduism and who is the propagator of Hindu religion is now becoming forefront right on the floor of the House. He's brought religion into the legislative, which I think Rahul Gandhi, it is a smart move because the Congress has always been apologetic about its religion, whether they should go to Ayodhya or not, whether they should appease Muslims or Hindus. Now Rahul Gandhi has come up front and he's taking on the BJP on its own turf. Remember, earlier Congress leaders had advised Rahul Gandhi not to take the BJP on its strong point. Hinduism and religion, Narendra Modi is known as the Hindu Hriday Samrat. So they said this is a field, a vote bank that belongs to the BJP. They are pretty, so let's not fight them on grounds that they are strong on. But I think rejuvenated by the Lok Sabha win, 99 seats, and of course the mandate, the fact that the BJP got lesser seats and doesn't have an outright mandate, Rahul Gandhi has taken the fight to the BJP's strong points. It's going to be interesting exchange to follow. Of course, the Speaker has expunged Rahul Gandhi's remarks, which of course gives the opposition some points to score, saying that the Speaker is playing partisan politics because none of Prime Minister Modi's remarks were expunged. Well, this is the way it is going to be in Parliament from now on. It's going to be interesting. We are going to see debate finally take place. And when the Prime Minister spoke, in fact, when Rahul Gandhi spoke, the Prime Minister did give him the gravitas of his position. He stood, in fact, he sat through his entire speech, and as we mentioned, he stood up twice. First time, in fact, a Prime Minister has intervened in a leader of opposition, interjected in a leader of opposition speech, standing up twice to rebut. But apart from that, he was present on the floor of the House. He did walk out, of course, when Mahua Moitra spoke. But when the Prime Minister stood up to speak, the opposition were chanting cries against him, sloganeering. Of course, he carried on. Modi knows how to speak, make himself heard amidst din. But the opposition has been criticized for not following protocol when the Prime Minister was speaking. Let's see, it's going to be an interesting debate ahead. The budget session of Parliament is coming up, but I think the battleground and the rules have been laid. The opposition is going to be strident, and nothing is sacred. They are going to take the BJP on its turf, and they're going to attack them, and the BJP will have a lot to answer. And the answer they will, and this time round, it is not Smriti Irani or some, she's of course lost, but not some junior minister who's answering Rahul Gandhi. It is the Prime Minister himself. तो जो हम कहते थे ना, राहुल बनाम मोदी, वो हो गया है. From now on, it is going to be Rahul versus Modi. The bugle has been sounded.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.